Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing my Christmas crate. This is exciting. I am kind of I'm sorry, my throat is so dry. I'm kind of a Christmas addict. Aren't we all though? So, this box sends you nostalgic Christmas delights monthly, all year round. This is their Christmas in July box, which I think is so cute. Come here, Diva Cat. She's in every video now. She sneaks into my room before the videos, hides under my bed, and then bam! When I'm making a video, she just pops out for your guys, for all you guys' viewing pleasure, Swifty Cat. So, boxes are $29.95 a month. I don't know what's in here, but this is a Christmas in July, so I can only imagine that it's going to be phenomenal, and I'm excited. And look at the box. It's like old-time Christmas, very like, oh, your grandma's house. I actually lived with my grandmother, so like Christmas was amazing every year. Like, I try to create that for my kids, but I don't think I'm even getting a quarter of what it was like. So, you open it up. There's that. Says a gift for you from someone really amazing. Oh, I do have a coupon code CHEER15 for 15% off your order, and that's from the elves. All right, let's spread Christmas cheer all year. A love for all things Christmas is in the air. And then we'll go over this. This is, can I just get that out of my mouth? Swifty, what's going on with me? This tells you what's in the box. We're not going to peek yet, though, because we want it to be a surprise. What? What's up, girl? What's up, girl? Let's get, look at her. What a stinkeroni. All right. Here it is. Do you want to see? What is it? You just want the squigglers, huh? You want a squiggler? You want a squiggler? She loves it. She's got hair now. Long hair. Glorious hair. All right. If I decorated for Christmas right now, I would probably get kicked out by my husband, just so everybody knows. All right. But it does mark the halfway point between Christmas, when the day after Christmas, or even after like New Year's is usually when like Christmas music stops, and it's just so sad, and you're like, oh my gosh, I have to wait 12 more years for all that joy. And then, oh, this will be so beautiful for my fireplace. It says believe. Oh my gosh, can you just take a deep breath and enjoy how gorgeous this is? I love it. I love this. What do you think, Swifty? She's over there sniffing my barbecue box. I did like I'm doing a mass unboxing today. Don't put your scratchers on that. Don't put your little scratchers. All right. So from High Valley Orchard, we have an old-fashioned Christmas mix. So these are like those ribbon candies and the little glass candies. These are phenomenal. So this is from Lehigh Valley, which is interesting. We have a Lehigh Valley near me, but it's not spelled like this. This is just L-E-H-I. We have L-E-H-I-G-H. So they're actually from Mesa, Arizona, nowhere near me. But I am excited to eat this. I will eat this. I will not keep it until Christmas. Okay. All right, then we have, oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. Oh, it'll look so cute on my wall. It says, hot cocoa, always homemade, extra marshmallows. Oh, I love it. I'll put this in my kitchen. Maybe I put it on my mantle too. I don't know yet. We'll find out. We'll have to wait till Christmas time. I'll let you know. This is a great way too. Let's just say you just bought a house and you have like 5 extra rooms that you have to decorate or furnish, whatever you have to do. Getting Christmas decorations, like if you just go out for 1 year, like if you go out at Christmas time, nobody has a budget to like decorate a whole home. So this is a great way to like build that collection throughout the year without spending a lot at once. It's something you don't think about, but decorations and decor, it's expensive and it can be pricey. And if you're a new family and you have children and you want to make it special for them, maybe you don't have the money to drop it all at once. So this is a great option. In my opinion, I think that's a really good, way to look at it. Oh my goodness! Our final item here is a little drummer boy. Is that like a toy soldier, I should say? This is Simple Pleasures Noel Vanilla Caramel Scented Hand Soap. Is this Bath and Body Works? It might be. I'm not sure. I can't smell. Can I smell it? I want to open it. Smell. I kind of shouldn't have opened it, I think. You know how they get that weird vacuum? Ooh, it smells good. Ooh, but it's just so cute. I think I would reuse it over and over. Right? Isn't he adorable? All right, so let's look at our insert here and tell us more about our items. Tri-Coastal Design Winter Favorites Moisturizing Hand Soap. And then they have links to everything. The Old Fashioned Christmas Candy Mix by Lehigh Valley. The Believe Burlap Christmas Garland is sold at My Christmas Crate. So they make that, which is really cool. The My Christmas Crate also makes the wood block cheer. Oh, there's an ornament in here. I missed something. It's good we looked at that, huh? Oh no. I think I'm missing an item. Oh, I don't have it. There's supposed to be a wood slice ornament. Oh, bummeroni. So there's also a wood tree slice ornament by Transpac Holiday Design. It's not in here. I'm going to have to look. Maybe it's tucked down in a side or something. I don't see it though. So I will link to my full review. I'm going to reach out to them, see if maybe they forgot to put it in there or something. I will link to my full review below. And if you want it, maybe I'll update this video. I'll wait and see what they say. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. What do you think of this box? I love the idea that you can get Christmas stuff all year round. I just think that that is like moving my soul. So let me know what you think down below. As always, thank you. I'll see you next time.